morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. I hope you have completed your yesterday's homework also. So today we are going to start book 7 lesson plan 4 and our topic is peer review. The keywords for this topic are big, small, long, short, square, round, green, red, black. Okay, from these words you can easily understand where and when we are using these words. Yes, all these are describing words. Yes, these words we are using to tell the size of the thing, and square, round, these words we are using to tell the shape of the thing. Green, red, black, yes, obviously we are using these words to tell the color of the thing. And what will be our agenda? Questioning, activity discussion and application part. After that we will go for the homework. And resources for today's class, only your content book and only your workbook and notebook. Yes. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is peer review. Yes student, what is the meaning of peer review? When you are in the class, teacher is always saying that you should do peer learning. Yes, what is the meaning of peer learning? Peer learning means हमें एक दूसरे से सीखना, टू लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर मीन्स आपका जब आप क्लास में होते हो, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हो, देन टीचर इज ऑलवेज मोटिवेटिंग यू, यू आस्क देन टू आस्क टू योर पार्टनर, अपने पार्टनर से पूछिए, अपने पार्टनर का देखिए उसने कैसे लिखा, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट, यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क इनकरेक्टली. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पीयर रिव्यू? पीयर रिव्यू मीन्स आपने भी अपना काम किया है, आपके पार्टनर ने भी किया है, उसके काम को चेक करना, उसको देखना, इफ एनीथिंग इज रॉन्ग देयर, यस मीन्स उसको इवेल्युएट करना, उसको देखना, दैट इज कॉल्ड पीयर रिव्यू. मीन्स यू विल फाइंड आउट द एरर फ्रॉम योर पार्टनर्स बुक. यस, दिस इज कॉल्ड पीयर रिव्यू. Yes student, like I have written one sentence on the board. Just look at this. If anything is wrong, or is it a correct sentence? Yes. Now you are checking my sentence. This is also peer review. Yes. What is wrong? Yes parents, please pause the video so that they can find out the errors. Yes. Right. What is the error? I. It must be written in capital letter as it is the first letter of the sentence. I am going to Delhi. Now Delhi. Here also I have written this in small letter. It must be in capital letter. Why? Because it is a naming word. It is the name of a place. So Delhi. And what should be at the end of the sentence? Right. Full stop. A simple sentence always ends with a full stop. So this how we will find the error. So what is our today's aim students? To identify errors in sentences and rewrite them. Means first we will identify the errors. Means हम उसमें से mistakes find out करेंगे. Then we will write the sentences again. So this is our today's aim. Now move to the action part. Yes students, now move to the action part. What will we do in today's activity? Yes, make sentences to describe a person, place or thing. Yes student, my question is that what describing words we are using to describe the shape, size and color of a thing. Yes, which describing words we are using to describe the shape, size or color of a thing. Yes, right. As I have told, yes, in the keywords also I have written like big, small, long, short. These words we are using to tell the size of the thing. Square, round. Yes, these words we are using to tell the shape of the thing. Green, red, black. Obviously, these words we are using to tell the color of the thing. Yes, student. My question is, can you describe your favorite dress and your bedroom? Yes. Parents, please pause the video and let them think about this question so that they can describe their favorite dress within 2-3 sentences by using the describing words. Yes. Yes, right. My favorite dress is my red shirt. Yes, it has yellow spots on it and its stuff is very nice. Yes, and now I'm going to tell about my bedroom. Yes, my bedroom is square and it is very big and it is comfortable. Yes, so Now you can tell the describing words which I have used in these sentences. Like red sari. Yes, red. Red is a describing word. It is telling about the color of the sari. Yes. And about the bedroom, I told the size of the the shape of the bedroom. What was the shape? Yes, square, and it is big. It is comfortable. Yes, students, as I told you about my sari and my bedroom. Yes, I have written the sentences on the board. Look on the board. My favorite dress is my red sari. Its stuff is very nice. It has yellow spots. Yes, parents, please pause the video so that students can have a look on these sentences and they can find out the error in these sentences. Yes, students, can you find out the error in these sentences? Yes, I have written the correct sentences this side. Yes, my favorite dress is my red sari. And here also I have written the same sentence. Here it is not starting with the capital letter, but the first letter of the sentence must be capital. And red. R should be capital or small? No, it should not be capital. It must be small because it is not the naming word. Only the proper naming words first letter will be capital. When we are using proper naming word, उनका first letter capital होता है, and other words remain in capital letter. And I have not put any full stop also. This is a simple sentence. It must end with a full stop. Yes, we should put a full stop. Now this is the correct sentence. Here also its stuff is very nice. Again, eyes must be capital. Here I have written it is capital. And nice. And should be capital or small. What is this nice? Is it a naming word or doing word or a describing word? Yes, it is a describing words. और describing words also we are writing in small letters. Describing words के लिए भी हम capital letters का use नहीं करते हैं. So we should write like this. Its stuff is very nice. At the end, I have put here full stop. It has yellow spots in it. Why? Again, I have written it in capital letter. It must be in small letter. And sentence must be starting with capital letter. It has yellow spots in it. Yes, student, now move to the analysis part. I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity. Be ready for the questions, and parents, please pause the video after every question. Yes, students, my first question is there any problem with the sentences on the board? Yes, I have written the sentences on the board. I have shown you. Is there any problem with them? Yes. What are the problems? Yes. There were many problems. What were the problems? Right. I have not started the sentence with the capital letter, and the simple sentences always end with a full stop, and I have not put the full stop also. So these were the problem with the sentences. Yes, students, my next question is, what are the important things to keep in mind while writing? Yes, what are the important things while writing the sentences? Yes, कौन सी चीज़ें important होती हैं when we are going to write a sentence? Yes, right. Sentence always start with a capital letter and with a full stop. And what are the things? Yes, it must have a naming word, and proper naming word always start with a capital letter, and describing words do not start with capital letter, and other words also in the sentences, they are written in the small letter. So keep these things in mind. Yes, sentence always start with capital letter and ends with full stop, and it must have a naming word, as the sentence is about the naming word, and the proper naming words always start with capital letter, and describing words do not start with capital letter, and other words also, the words which are left in the sentence, they are also written in the small letter. And my next question is, why is it important to include the describing words? Yes, why is it important to include the describing words in the sentences? Yes, think about it. Yes, we are including the describing words in the sentences to tell more about the naming words. Yes, if we want to get more information about the naming words, then we are including the describing words. Yes, naming words को ज़्यादा define करने के लिए, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा information collect करने के लिए, we are using the describing words. So these things we have to keep in mind while we are writing the sentences. Yes, as I have written all the points on the board also, which things we have to keep in mind while writing the sentences. Yes, have a look on the board also. Yes, all sentences must have a naming word or a pronoun. Yes, हर एक सेंटेंस में एक नेमिंग वर्ड हमें इंक्लूड करना होता है. अगर नेमिंग वर्ड नहीं है तो हम नेमिंग वर्ड के प्लेस पे क्या यूज करते हैं? वी आर यूजिंग प्रोनाउन लाइक आई, ही, शी, इट, दे, वी, यू. एंड मस्ट हैव अ डूइंग वर्ड, और उसमें डूइंग वर्ड्स भी होते हैं. यस, होते हैं डूइंग वर्ड, एक्शन वर्ड्स, सिट, गो, कम, इज, एम, आर. यस, वी आर यूजिंग द डूइंग वर्ड्स आल्सो. And begin with a capital letter. Sentence always begin with the capital letter and with a full stop. And a simple sentence end with a full stop. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस सिंपल है तो वो फुल स्टॉप से एंड होता है. एंड कैपिटलाइज ओनली. कैपिटलाइज हमें कैपिटल लेटर में कौन से लेटर्स को कैपिटल लिखना है सेंटेंसेस में. लाइक प्रॉपर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. प्रॉपर नेमिंग वर्ड्स को हम कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लाइक Delhi, as I have written in the beginning of the class, Delhi. What is this Delhi? Delhi is the proper naming word of a place. Like my name is Manju. I am your teacher. If I am writing teacher, so T will be, teacher का T कैसा होगा? Small होगा because it is a common noun. If I am writing my teacher name is Manju, then Manju M will be capital because it is a proper naming word. So proper naming words always will be in the capital letters. First letter of sentence, and first letter of sentence always written in the capital letters. And one more thing, single I. Whenever we are using single I in the sentences, then it must be written in the capital letter. As I have written in the beginning of the class one sentence like I am going to Delhi. Like I have written like this, I am going to Delhi. दिस आई मस्ट बी कैपिटल. एक तो ये बिगिनिंग में है तब भी ये कैपिटल होगा. अगर ये सेंटेंस की बिगिनिंग में नहीं होता है आई, ये बीच में आता है, तब भी इसको हम कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही लिखते हैं आई को. यस, सो दीज आर द रूल्स विच वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल राइटिंग द सेंटेंसेस. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू आस्क फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. यस, माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट अदर काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स वी आर यूजिंग इन द सेंटेंसेस. What other kind of words we are using in sentences? Means other than naming words and describing words. उनके अलावा हम और कौन से words का use करते हैं sentences में? Yes, think about it, students. Yes, right. We are using doing words also in the sentences. Yes, whenever we are writing the sentences, we are using doing words also, like action words, come, go, sit. We are using this also, and like is, am, are, goes, were, these are also we are using in the sentences. Now it's time for the application part. What will you do? You will complete your S4 in your workbook. Students, you have to complete your workbook S4. Page number 44 it is given, and you have to complete it within 15 minutes. Students, open your worksheet. Page number 43, S3. Yesterday you completed this S3 describing a thing. In this you have written about these trees, the mango tree, the pine trees. Yes, by using the describing words you have completed question number 1. Then in question number 2 also write 3 sentences about the things that are the same between both the trees. Yes, you have completed this worksheet yesterday. So today what we are going to do, now open S4 peer review. Now what will you do? We have just checked the sentences, just we have go through the S3. You have written some sentences about it. Yes, what will you do now? On question number 1, use the checklist to review the sentences written in S3. For example, you have written these sentences in question number 1. Pranav's tree is tall. First rule is all sentences have naming words. What is the naming word? Pronouns tree. Yes, it is here, it is given, the naming word is given here, so you will tick on yes. Then proper naming words begin with capital letters. Yes, for example, one sentence is again given here, the trees are pronouns friends. Then you will tick if the proper naming starts with the capital letter. If it is not starting in your which you have solved, you will cross on no. All sentences end with a full stop. Then all sentences start with a capital letter. Sentences have describing words that tell about naming word. Then on question number 2, you write the sentences to describe trees. Now again you will write the sentences which are describing the trees, and here you will follow all the rules which are being told to you how to write the sentences, which points you have to keep in mind while writing the sentences. Yes, so now move to the homework part. What will be your today's homework? Your homework is do practice question 5 to 7 which are given on page number 33 in your content book. At last, now move to the summarization part. Yes, what have we learned today, students? Yes, we have found out the errors in the sentences. Means हमने sentences में errors को find out किया था and how to write a correct sentence. We have learnt about this. So what are the rules for these sentences? This sentence must start with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, and capitalized proper naming word and single I. So I think you all have understood all the concepts which you should use when you are writing the sentences. I hope you all have enjoyed my class, and be ready for next class also, and next class will be your grammar class. Keep your grammar guide with you. Thank you. Have a nice day.